The CORSAIR RM750X from the RMX series is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to power their high-performance PC. This power supply is 80+ Gold certified, ensuring high efficiency with less excess heat and lower operating costs. This efficiency not only contributes to better performance but also helps in reducing the electricity bill over time, making it a smart investment for any PC enthusiast or professional. One of the standout features of the RM750X is its use of 100% all Japanese 105 degrees Celsius capacitors. These premium components are known for their reliability and longevity, ensuring solid power delivery for years to come. Whether you're gaming, editing, or running intensive applications, the RM750X provides the stable power you need. Another great feature of the RM750X is its 0 RPM fan mode. At low and medium loads, the fan doesn't spin at all, resulting in virtually silent operation. This is perfect for users who prioritize a quiet computing environment, whether you're recording audio, streaming, or just prefer a quieter workspace. The fully modular design of the RM750X makes building and upgrading your PC easier and more aesthetically pleasing. You only need to connect the cables your system requires, which reduces clutter and improves airflow within your case. This not only makes your build look cleaner but can also contribute to better overall system cooling. The RM750X also boasts a 10-year warranty, offering peace of mind and underscoring the confidence Corsair has in its product's durability and performance. This warranty is particularly reassuring for those investing in a long-term setup. Compatibility is another strong suit for the RM750X, as it's ready to handle the demands of the 6th generation Intel Core processors, including the Intel Skylake and Z170 motherboards. This makes it a versatile choice for a wide range of modern PC builds. In summary, the Corsair RM750X is a powerful, efficient, and reliable power supply that caters to both enthusiasts and professionals. Its high efficiency, premium components, silent operation, and modular design make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to build or upgrade a high-performance PC. With a decade-long warranty and robust compatibility, the RM750X is a future-proof solution that ensures your system runs smoothly and efficiently for years to come. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.